Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you Wigs Studio One for sending me this piece to do a review on. Andrea also offers a support group. You can find it on Facebook under Wigs Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We would love to have y'all join us there. This wig review is over Rene of Paris Scorpio PM. Now they make one that's just Scorpio, but this one is PM, which is partial mono. And that means she has just this partial top here that you can part to the left. She also has a lace front, so if the wind blows with the bangs, it won't look weird. She has an open cap. Let's see what her ear tabs. Her ear tabs are very thin. So for people that wear glasses or sunglasses, these are really thin. She does not have an extended nape, but she does have the Velcro adjusters, and I love those. And she's super low density. She's an adorable bob. And she has these bangs, and they're kind of razor cut. See that? They're like razor edge cut, which y'all know I have the bangs, like the barrel curl bangs, blunt. So this is going to be different for me. I'm really excited to see how she's going to turn out. Let's put her on. My head is 21 inches around. This feels so great. It's conformed to my head, and it's not too loose, it's not too tight. I love it. I love it. It fits really well. She's cute. Now, here is her lace front. And I would have to trim these bangs because I have a very short forehead. But look at this movement. She's really cute, y'all. Let's look at this color. This is Cinnamon Swirl. She is a dynamic color, and I think she's perfect for fall. She has, do y'all see those? The burgundy? Just throughout, it's gorgeous. I love this color. This piece is, I think, $135 at checkout. If you use the code BEAUTIFULYOU, you should get 30% off, bringing it to $135 on wigstudio1.com. And she's light. She only weighs 3 ounces. Let's go out and take a look at her in natural lighting. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.